Hey everybody, my name is Caleb. I'm a trainer with Gluteus Medius. I'm just going to coach you through a few exercises today that's going to strengthen your Gluteus Medius. So what exactly is your Gluteus Medius? It's a muscle right on your buttocks, and it's important for stabilizing your hips whenever you walk or whenever you run. Why that's important is every time we go to take a step, our hips have to stabilize. See that, how it drops down? This muscle has to be strong in order to stabilize the hips, so whenever we run or we walk, we're able to not put any extra stress on our knees or our lower back. So today's class would just be going over 5 or 6 exercises just to strengthen this area.